You don't need 2 liters of water a day. And sometimes that advice is actually making you feel worse. If you've ever forced yourself to drink more water because you heard 8 glasses a day and still feel tired, bloated or foggy, you are not failing. The advice is just incomplete. Hydration isn't a fixed number. It changes depending on your body weight, your activity level, your stress, your climate, even your sleep quality. Your body is dynamic. Your hydration needs are too. A simple starting point is this. Take your body weight in kilograms and multiply by 30 to 35 milliliters. That gives you a rough daily range. But that is just the baseline. If you exercise, if you drink caffeine, if you're under stress, your needs increase. Hydration isn't about hitting a number. It's about responding to your body. Here's some most people don't talk about. Drinking too much water too quickly can dilute your electrolytes, and when your electrolytes drop, energy drops. More water doesn't always mean more energy. Balance matters. Instead of forcing liters, try this. Drink consistently through the day. Notice urine color. Pale straw, not clear. Add minerals through food. Don't chug large amounts at once. Hydration works best when it's steady and balanced. In the next video, we will talk about how your morning hydration habits can completely change your daily energy rhythm. Because hydration isn't just about how much you drink. It's about when you drink it and how your body absorbs it. If you would like a simple hydration reset guide, you will find it in the description below. See you in the next one.